Most traders believe the more complicated their strategies, the better their edge will be. They believe complexity equals intelligence. They believe more rules mean more protection. They believe more indicators mean more certainty. That belief's complete garbage. The truth's this: complexity's the silent killer of trading accounts. It doesn't blow you up all at once. It drains you slowly, trade by trade, decision by decision. Every single day, traders sit at their screens adding indicators, creating new rules, tweaking parameters, and overthinking every single setup. RSI on top of MACD, MACD filtered by volume, volume filtered by a moving average, then a higher time frame check, then a market condition rule. And they tell themselves they're improving. They do this because it makes them feel smarter. It makes them feel safer. It gives them the illusion that they're in control. But here's the uncomfortable question I want you to ask yourself right now. How many times have you destroyed a perfectly good edge by constantly changing it because it felt too simple? You already know the answer. You saw the setup. You trusted it once. You even made money with it. Then a losing streak hit, and suddenly simple felt irresponsible, so you touched it. And once you touch it, you can't stop touching it. The common myths that professional traders have secret, ultra-complex systems with 15 indicators and 40 rules. That's why they succeed. Nothing could be further from the truth. Complexity feels productive, it feels intelligent, but in reality, it's pure ego disguised as research. The best traders I know, the ones who make serious money year after year, trade shockingly simple edges. They don't predict, they don't debate, they execute. Most retail traders do the opposite. They overthink themselves out of profits. Let me reframe this for you clearly. Overthinking your edge is not intelligence. It's fear wearing a mask. When price moves against you, something ancient takes over. Your amygdala, the primitive alarm system in your brain. It doesn't care about probabilities. It cares about pain. It screams, something's wrong. Fix this. Do something. So what do? You add another indicator, another filter, another delay. Not because it improves your edge, but because it calms your fear. This is why simplicity beats complexity every single time. Your brain loves complexity because it creates the illusion of control. But markets don't reward control. Markets reward consistency. A basic edge you follow religiously will always outperform a complicated edge you keep changing. I've watched seven-figure traders blow up because they couldn't stop over-optimizing. They had a winning system, but their ego demanded it be better. Complexity's emotional, simplicity's professional. So here's exactly what I want you to do, starting today. First, strip your strategy down to one or two high-probability setups. If you can't explain your edge to a 12-year-old in under 60 seconds, it's too complicated. Second, write the rules on a single piece of paper. Tape it to your monitor. No exceptions, no tweaks. Third, when you feel the urge to overthink, stop. That urge is your ego trying to take control. Ignore it. Trade the plan exactly as written. True confidence doesn't come from complexity. It comes from trusting a simple system enough to follow it without interference. That's the real edge. Now get back to the process. Get back to work.